Here's how you can integrate your Zotero and Mendeley libraries within AnswerThis. When you open up AnswerThis, you might have a new library that looks exactly like this. From here, we can add papers that we find as we go about our work in AnswerThis, such as this paper right here, or we can go ahead, upload PDFs, or more importantly, and why we're here, is using our Zotero or Mendeley libraries. So the first thing we want to do is connect our Zotero library. Enter in your Zotero details. Afterwards, you'll be prompted to this screen. Simply just press accept defaults. And just like that, your Zotero is connected. Similarly with Mendeley, just press connect to Mendeley, sign in. Once signed in, your Mendeley will automatically connect. From here, both the import from Zotero and Mendeley look very similar. Simply press import from Zotero, then click on the papers that you'd like to import from your libraries. You can also see your libraries on Zotero on the left-hand side here. Once you've selected your papers, simply just press import selected. From here, you can choose a library that you'd like to save these papers to. From here, you can select if you want to include the PDFs within the papers, as well as skipping duplicated papers. And just like that, your papers will import into your AnswerThis library. Now, say you have a bunch of papers that you've collected into your AnswerThis library and you actually want to export it into your Zotero or Mendeley library. You can also do that too. You can either click on select all, or you can go ahead and select the papers that you want to export. Simply press Mendeley or Zotero. Simply press on the export button and select Mendeley or Zotero. From here, you'll also be prompted to include PDFs and skip duplicated papers. And once you're ready, press export, and just like that, your papers will be moved into your Mendeley or Zotero library. I hope you found this video helpful, and good luck researching.